Greetings, I'm Craig Smizer with RE/MAX Capital City. Welcome to the May 2016 edition of How's the Market in Horizon Park. In April, 3 homes closed in Horizon Park, which was down about 67% from last April. The median price decreased 3.9% to $185,000, and the average price of a home increased by 0.8% to $193,333. The average price per square foot increased by 9.7% to over $108. Now, since this is such a small set of homes, we really need to look at a longer period of time in order to get a better picture of the market. So let's look at the last 6 months and compare it to the corresponding 6-month period from a year earlier. The number of homes sold during that time was 20, down 20% from the same time a year before. The median price of a home increased almost 11% to over $202,000. The average price increased by 12.4% to over $212,000. And the average price per square foot increased by 9.8% to $105. Across Horizon Park, the April sales ranged from a low of $175,000 to a high of $220,000. The average sales price to list price ratio was 100.5%. And for homes that closed in April, the average days on market was 3. Now, these last 2 stats clearly demonstrate that the market in Horizon Park is very strong for sellers right now. So if you've been thinking of selling your home, contact me today to get started. Now, I'm also happy to be a part of Movie in the Park in Horizon Park again this year. There is 1 movie scheduled each month, June through September, and we'll be there spinning cotton candy with the proceeds going to the YMCA. More information will be forthcoming from the HOA. As always, my website allows you to look at summary and detailed data for each home in Horizon Park. Simply go to housesinleander.com and click the Search Sold Data link, which is under the Search Homes tab. If you have any real estate related questions, please don't hesitate to call me at 512-650-7300 or email me at craig@housesinleander.com. Thanks for watching How's the Market in Horizon Park.